Alright.
Of course.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Guys,
Wait, from which channel is it go? From which channel or your channel?
it's my channel.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
I have a little surprise for Jason.
For me alone?
Well, yeah, both of we must see you.
Okay, come.
So it's late. Me never did want to start off so late, but we did busy, I pack, and you know, just I get some stuff out of the way. So, baby, I want to tell them.
Well, yeah, they kind of go behind me back and plan a little vacation getaway for you because she said
Yes.
she just randomly want to spend some time away from the home. And of course your boy said yes because we used to nice things and good things and all of them things.
Yes, and a long time we not do nothing nice. So
yeah, so I'm excited to know how me go. Well, she said yeah, so I don't know, I just be a house around me, I don't know which part or some Airbnb me I imagine.
baby, I rush it.
No but yeah, see you tell me to stop, so
Guys, I wanted to vlog the whole journey, but we never did one, like, you know, everything just happened so fast. Jason did a pack up his stuff, me did a pack up my stuff, and Jason pack a whole lot of stuff, and me never did know there's so much stuff Jason got pack. Anyways, babe, me just want to come enjoy ourselves. And
so we're not posting a video then?
yes, but I got post video.
No, it just sound like so we just go.
No, I got post video, but you know,
Okay.
me just want to enjoy ourselves and, you know, just rejuvenate. We deserve it.
True.
And a long time we're not gonna, we're busy just to focus so much on, you know, getting our life together and stuff like that. And when you want good, you know, it's a free run, but enough for that.
But you want to sleep like a while thing, but you say you have some before we go. You know we can sleep on the reach, right?
Right, because baby, you're gonna love it. First of all, you're gonna love it. I think me do one little clip snap when Jason pack up and stuff like that. I'll insert it, but me never did know there's so much stuff Jason did I go carry. But I mean, it's okay, babe. Happy for you.
Happy for we, babe.
I'm mostly happy for you because, like,
So, babe, my question is, all of them houses are just at Airbnb because the house are so nice enough. So I don't know. So that me I ask.
but no, I have my surprise for you. But if you could have go one place right now,
Bora
where-
Bora.
babe, other than Bora Bora,
Paris.
other than Paris.
Babe, somewhere overseas.
Alright, would you want to go like to a hotel or Airbnb or just
Babe,
in the woods,
anyway,
like something
babe,
adventurous?
you offer me a trip, babe, so why would I say no? So it don't really matter where me I go. I mean, here I go, so time spent with you, good time.
I just love you so much.
You know that you're coming.
You deserve
Love
this.
you too because you are the best.
Guys, I'm excited.
Yo, me just want to go prawl off the bed. I mean, nobody now have to tell me if I spread up the bed in the morning. And that me I talk about.
Guys, that's so true. Me just don't want to spread in a bed. Like, I just want a week.
Me draw you out. So you just you think bad things about me. You just say,
No.
oh no,
but
see.
really and truly, I just don't want to spread any bed. I just want to wake up, eat some breakfast. Knowing me, mega spread the bed, because why am I like that?
Nothing wrong with that. So
But me just...
why you never make wait till you reach to start vlog? That me.
No. Me can't give them like that. Guys, you know so with the vlogs over here.
Yeah, but they will start late might as well. You make it come out, put in the clothes them, and then you start the vlog and show them room tour same time.
No, but me don't want to give them room tour one time. Guys, you know so we do it. We come, we talk about where we are gonna go, and then after that, I give them a room tour after. And yeah, me don't want to jump in it too quick.
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just there now.
Alright, babe, so come to me and tell me now.
Babe, hold on. You think we're gonna have fun?
Yes, babe, we're gonna have so much fun. But me not gonna have fun by sitting in here. Yeah, record so I can't turn on the AC, I can't run away with
I'm
window.
just so nervous.
Why?
I know.
I proposed to you already, you know. I don't know your birthday. So we are nervous for.
You love me?
Babe, you know say you choose the wrong set of time for you.
Me ask if you look, babe.
Baby,
You
ask me
plan
now.
such a vacation for me and you can't answer if you
Yes,
love
babe,
me.
I love you, babe. I love you, and I'm grateful for this moment for us to go out and leave the yard and all of that.
What I look forward to the most?
Sleeping.
Sleep.
People, the reason why Iandra do this, I drop that part, because the same time I go places she plan
Because I want to know how you feel.
She plan for do a bag of things. And time I go far out. So that's why, you see, I say sleep here, she say. So I'm not sleep asleep. I already come in tired, she just tell me to start pack. Same time I pack, I'm ready, I'm there sitting in my car.
Listen, guys.
You see, if I figure out which one of them house at the Airbnb, baby, I tell you honest truth. But now this is speaking
Who tell us
vlog.
that we're going to Airbnb?
Babe, I must Airbnb, them house
Me tell them I have a surprise for you. You see that video, man, you're pushing, man, you're pushing.
Nobody no push the babe. You have me pack up clothes, you have to pack up nice clothes and them the babe.
Guys, when you don't want to see the trunk.
Oh God, baby,
When you don't want to see
baby,
the
they see
trunk.
it in something no man. Make they see it in this no babe, make they see it in the vlog no babe when they see it no man.
Alright.
Sure.
What time?
See there.
Oh, we end up start late. I'm so sorry, guys. Sorry for giving the late update because I think my last upload did late as well.
I'm not that excited.
Why?
Baby, because I just want to go, baby, me tap you so, baby.
Alright, babe. Come on. You're too pushy. Matter of fact, you're too jumpy. Drive good on a little bit more.
Side man, bro, like you want me up on
And take time before you pass the place. I'm just so excited because we deserve this a lot. Trust me. Wait, which color? Pullover right here, sir. Pink right here, sir.
If I say I look nice.
Oh, good. 7:18. We still have curfew?
No, Jesus, no, babe.
Why you get upset?
No, babe, we don't have none. What happened?
You probably need to make our way back one door.
Why? What we go back home for, babe?
You love me?
Babe, stop, babe, yo, me not answer that. Me not answer that, bro. You know, say, you take that question if you granted, babe. Backside, man, if you meet ask me if I love you, I want to, you have Alzheimer's. Yes.
I love you too.
Yeah. So, babe, come.
No,
You know what, me still don't long enough. I'm gonna just go pack up with the clothes.
No, I'm not today, vacation. And tomorrow. One minute after prank you, I'm so sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry. Babe, I'm sorry. I didn't want to tell you. I didn't want to tell you. Like, so I was the way I drive. I didn't tell you, but I don't know how to tell you. You always do me bad, somebody just have it. And babe, I could have do it worse. Think about it. I could have do it worse. Babe, this is the softest I could have given that prank here. But babe, tomorrow not that far. Before you blow up, literally hours away, we are going for our vacation. Babe, literally
coming. So you tell me, say, me left it backside yard and drive come so far after me tired to come here say, I know today. Yo, you go book that no? You go book that, you better.
Babe, me don't know what that. It look good, but me don't know what.
So yes, sir. Yo, you know, say.
But me happy for your food. Me happy for your food and the juice. Get some good food. Babe, I am sorry. And babe, me coulda go harder. Me coulda record the whole process with you packing. And when you get excited and everything, this babe, it's soft. So thank me.
Yo, don't do that.
But babe, think about it.
No, does not talk to me right now.
Baby, it's tomorrow.
Stop talking to me now.
Calm down.
Yo, you hear me say stop talking to me? Bro, me coming tired, you know, bro. I almost me not beard, you know.
Something alright, yeah.
Then me coming tired, you know, G.
Babe, calm down yourself. Babe, but that's actually literally hours. Guys, babe, me have a surprise for you for real.
Man, me don't want a surprise,
Babe,
man.
no,
Me
for
don't
real,
want
I
a
have a
surprise, man. Me don't want a surprise, man. I'm good, man. Anytime you got me, yo, me don't want a surprise. Me don't want a surprise, sir. Yeah, you know why me not want to go on the most here because, yo,
babe, me have a surprise for you though. And I'm not
babe,
lying.
I don't want
Pinky
no
promise.
Yo, yes, don't touch me. I don't want a surprise, Iandra. We don't want a surprise, Iandra.
So one time you go tomorrow, you don't want
You're
to
not
go.
going anywhere tomorrow, no?
You?
Well, you're not going anywhere with me tomorrow. You're not going with me tomorrow. Because I'm not drive going with your fam.
Babe, at least we never waste the day. We ate nice food. And we been want that. You see me know say they thirsty. Alright, sir. Guys, I'm not joking you guys. I have a surprise. You don't want it. Baby, it's hours away. What a big
You know,
deal.
say sometimes if you just, you know, say if you just listen, Mr. Tappy talking. Me don't want to hear nothing.
That's shaky. It's not like I don't have a
But,
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to them, right? Right? Yeah, tell him. Tell him. Guys, it's not like I don't have a surprise. I do have a surprise. It's just that I wanted to just, you know, I wanted to pull the prank on so we'll go drive. When they come out, we'll go drive.
if me never have enough respect for you, you'd have to walk right now. You know that? You know that? You know that?
No. Babe, take time.
Yo, take up in, take up in, that's if you
Babe,
do
I'm
it.
talking
Take
to
you
them.
up and hold in your hand, no?
Guys, I really have a surprise for you.
You don't want a surprise.
Me not talk to you, sir. Me not talk to you. May I use the light. Guys, when you just want to pull a little prank here before we go up on a little vacation. Me babe, you understand so me could have go harder than this.
Yo, you know what I say? Bro,
But me
make
never
it,
want cause
make it soak
emotional
in.
damage.
Make it prank soaking up, maybe be alright, no man. You're good. You win 3 points. You're alright, you go on good. You go on good, man.
Guys, stay tuned. Stay in tune, babe.
The blood. Mario, stop recording.
I never call your name. I said, baby, you don't know if somebody on the camera me I talk. And babe, guys, just stay and see what's up tomorrow because me not gonna disappoint him. You think me gonna disappoint you, babe? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks. You tried the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye, guys.